Okay, so I'm here in the blockchain 2040 token 2049 with Hani from 1Key.
1Key, yeah.
Yes, so everybody need a freaking hardware wallet. Make sure you use it, okay? And make sure you click the link down in the description. It depends when you watch this video. Now, Hani, what do you have as a new project, okay?
Yes.
And why people need hardware wallet? Because still people don't use it, and I cannot believe why not. This guy who is behind the camera don't even use it. Don't ask me why. Okay, give to the audience who is watching you everywhere, what's the new with 1Key?
Okay, so let me just do a short introduction for myself. And my name is Hani, and I'm in Japan right now, so charging of the Japanese market for 1Key. Yeah, and actually what's the new about the 1Key? It's a great news for everyone. Last month we launched the new products, the 1Key Classic 1S and the 1Key Pro, and also we do a lot of co-branding with other partners such as like Binance, OKX, and next year we will do more co-branding with other partners. So that's our marketing plan. Yeah.
Good. Okay, so very soon in the next couple of weeks I'm going to open actually on the video your new product probably. I will represent to you how to open, how to use it step by step, how to get in, how to send tokens, how to get tokens in, how to get tokens out. I will do full tutorial 1, 2, 3, 5, 100. Okay, my next question is how many users you have at the moment?
And actually for hard wallets, Actually for hard wallets, the users in the last year we already have 10 million users all around the world. So our hard wallet company just covered more than 100 countries right now. So in everywhere you can just shop. You can just find our Shopify shop and you can buy the hard wallet in everywhere. Yeah.
Okay, last question, how long is the shipping process? If somebody order in America or Europe, how long is taking the shipping?
I think the shipping is really fast. Why I can say that? Because we have a lot of Amazon shop in US, in Japan. So everywhere you can order just by Amazon, by Shopify, and almost like 1 week. I think we can deliver this to your home. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. All right, perfect. So if you want to find them, click the link down in the description. Okay, if you have any question, go to the website and ask in their social medias any question you have. But everything is explained on their website, what tokens they have, what tokens they're covering, what tokens you can stake, you can put them in, and so on, so on. All right, anything else you want to mention before we go on?
Yeah, before the finish, I will just want to mention follow Philip, follow 1Key. Thank you so much.
All right, God bless everybody. See you in the next one.